Hey guys, my name is Woods. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link PS5, Steam, PC Launcher, and Epic Games for where wins meet, cost progression, otherwise known as cost save. I have made a few videos regarding this process already, but I received a few questions about Epic Games because I did not include Epic Games in any of my previous videos. My apologies for that, so I will take the opportunity to show the process for each platform, starting with the process for linking PS5 with Epic Games. Now, before we start, there are a few things I need you to take into consideration in order to ensure a smooth process. First, I highly recommend you create a NetEase account if you don't already have one. This is going to make things a lot easier for you. Second, you need to figure out which platform you want to start playing on first. And once you decide which platform you want to start with, I advise you not to touch any other platforms that you plan to cost save with. For example, if you start on PS5 and plan to cross save on Epic Games, do not touch Epic Games until you already play on PS5. This will make sense to you in a minute. Now, if you already make the mistake on starting on two different platforms and you are having issues linking your accounts, don't worry. I have a video on the channel that shows a workaround on how to fix that issue until the developers come up with an official solution. But I will also explain the process in this video. Now, let me show you how to start the process for a fresh account linking between the PS5 and Epic Games. Then I will show the PC launcher and then Steam. So when you start the game for the first time, so you're going to have this option right here. Now you can see where it says cost progression. Do not follow this example if you are not using the PC launcher first. This example only works for the PC launcher, meaning same thing as a NetEase account because the PC launcher is basically the NetEase account. You might have seen some example on the Where Wins Meet website with the screenshot that I'm showing you that shows you user center link account. This is not going to apply to PlayStation, Steam, or Epic Games. You will not see that option, so forget about this. Now, once you start the game, you get to the point where you can go to the menu, meaning you already create a character, then go to the menu. Go to settings, and then you need to make your way to this tab called Other. Here you go to where it says Bind Account. Now, as you can see, there is no user center option here. Like I said, this option that says user center is only available on the PC launcher. Now, the first time you do this, the screenshot that I'm showing you on screen right now is going to show you NetEase Games on top, and it says recommended. This is the reason why I advise you to create a NetEase account. And the first thing you need to do when you come here, because you already start on the platform, just go and link your NetEase account with this platform. This will make things a lot easier for you. So go ahead and link your NetEase account. You're going to sign in, and then once you do that, then NetEase is going to show as a link account. Now, for this example, now on the screen you already see I have a few accounts already linked. I got Steam, PlayStation, and also have X, Twitter, etc., etc. The only account that I do not have linked right now is the Epic Games. So we are going to link this Epic account. So I'm going to go where it says Epic, and I'm going to look for the link, and I'm going to click on it. This will give me a QR code. You need to use your mobile device, a tablet, your iPhone, Android phone, whatever. And then you need to scan this code. Now, once you sign in with your credential on your mobile device, then you're going to receive a confirmation that your linking is successful and you can play the game on Epic Games. Now, the reason why this works seamlessly is because I never touch Epic Games with where winds meet, which means it goes smoothly. Now, as an example, as I'm showing you on screen right now, you can see that I did not have where winds meet downloaded on Epic Games. That's the reason why the process went smoothly. Now, I am going to go on Epic Games and I am going to show you that I will continue my progress from my PS5 to Epic Games. Just remember where I was on PS5, and when we get to Epic Games, you will see that I will start from that position. Alright guys, so we are on Epic, so we are going to launch Where Winds Meet. So this is our first time. And as you can see, automatically it resumed from where I was on PS5 and I got my account and everything. So if I click on resume, and as you can see, this is where we were when we left from PS5, and we are back in the Epic Games. Now that you see that it works from PS5 to Epic Games, so if this situation was reversed where you started with Epic Games and you want to link with PS5, what you would do once you get to the point where you can get to the menu, just like I explained for the PS5, we'll go to the menu, go to settings, go to the other tab, and then here you would bind account. And once you get into the menu to bind the account, so if PlayStation is the account that you're trying to link, then you just go to PlayStation and hit link. That would be the same result that you would get going from PS5 to Epic, but this time it would be from Epic to PS5. This is providing that you did not touch PS5 before you link it from Epic Games. So that's how this works. So next we are going to log into the PC version, and I'm going to show you what you would do if you wanted to link your account from the PC launcher to another account. Alright guys, this is the PC launcher. So for someone who is starting from a PC and then want to link that account with other platform like PS5 or Steam or Epic Games, so you can see the login is the same as the NetEase Games login. So that's the reason why I said recommend have a NetEase account. That way, when you launch the PC, then you will log in with your NetEase account. So I am going to log in and I'm going to show you the difference between the PC launcher and the other platforms. So same thing you see on the other one. Now look at the difference here. As you see here, this is the user center. So if I click on this, that gives me the user center that they showed in the instruction that they have on the website that you've seen in other videos. Now, here is the option to link account. Instead of you going inside the game, then you can just come here and say link account. And then from here, you can start linking your account. So that is providing you starting from the PC launcher. But as you can see on the right side, it says resume. That means I've already linked my account with the NetEase account or the PC launcher. So if I want to continue the game, that's what I would do. So if you decide that you want to link your account from here, just hit link account. then it will show you all the options that you have to link your account. That way you don't even need to go inside the game. However, if you decide you want to do it the same way as the other platform where you have to go inside the game, then we're just going to get rid of this. And then I am going to resume my game. As you can see, this is the same location that I was when I was on PS5 and also when I was on Epic Games. Same place. So, let's say for instance you start using the PC launcher as your primary account. Then once you get to a point where you can get to the menu, but like I showed you, you can do that from the front page. Then you would go to the menu and then go to settings. And then here you do the same thing that we did for PS5 and Epic Games. Go to the other tab, and then here you can see the different options, right? You can see there's a user center, exchange code, and also bind account. So in this case, you can do either or. You can go user center here, or you can just do the same thing that you did with the other account, just bind account. That will bring you the same menu for you to link whatever account that you need to link with your PC launcher. So if it is PS5 that you want to link with your PC launcher, then you would do PS5. If it is Epic Games you want to link with your PC launcher, then you would do Epic Games, and so forth and so on. Now we are going to go to Steam to show you how this would work if you started from Steam. Alright guys, we are now on Steam and we are going to launch Where Winds Meet. Alright, here we are. As you can see, there is a difference between this front page and the front page of the PC launcher, just like it is on PS5 and Epic Games, like I was telling you guys in the beginning. So now that we are in Steam, so we are going to resume our game. Again, if you have been following, you will see that we are in the same location that we were in the other platforms. Anyway, so if you are someone that starts from Steam, then you want to link your account to another platform, all you need to do the same thing that we did for the other platform. Just as soon as you are able to access the menu, just hit the menu, go to settings, and then go to other, and then go to bind. Here on the binding page, you would do the same thing that we did with the other platform. Just find the platform that you want to link your Steam account with, then hit link. You will get the QR code. Then you would do the QR shenanigan on your mobile device. And then once you are successful, then your account would be linked. Alright guys, next is for those that have link failure error. This means you cannot link your account. The game is telling you that you already have another account, etc., etc. Now, the reason why you're getting this error is because you are playing on two different platforms, and one of those platforms created an account automatically simply because you launched the game on that platform. The game recognized you as having two accounts, even if you did not get to the character creation part of the game. So in this case, what you're going to do, let's say for instance you started having issues not being able to link your Steam account with another account, like say for instance PS5, then you would come to Steam. That is the bad account. That's the account that's giving you the error message. So once you come to the game, you are going to continue the game. It does not matter where you are in the game. What you need to do, just go ahead and create that character and that account until you can get access to the menu. Now, before you do any of that, what is most important is for you to create a NetEase account that is a throwaway account. You are only going to create this account to help you on buying the bad account that is preventing you from linking your account with another platform. So once you continue with the game and you get access to the menu, now you are at the point where you created a throwaway NetEase account and you log into your bad account, which is the Steam account, and now you have access to the menu. So just go to the menu and then just go to settings. Now go to the other tab. From there, hit the bind account option. That will bring the link page account. On that link page account, you are going to bind the throwaway NetEase account with that bad Steam account, which is the account that you should be on. Then, once you bind those two accounts, that means the throwaway account is linked with the bad Steam account. The next step is going to unbind those accounts. Now, what you are going to do, you see on this page, it doesn't matter which tab you are on. Just click any tab. That option will be available. You see where it says customer service? Just click that option. So I am going to click that option. And it is going to bring this menu as customer service. What you need to do here is just go here where it says unbind account. Then you're going to have the option to say click to unbind account. And then once you get to this option, the account that is bad, in this case, it would have been Steam. I am not going to do this because I don't have the issue. Then you would click on whichever account that you want to unbind. And in this case, that would be Steam. If you click on it, it's going to ask you to confirm it right here. So you are going to type Steam right here, and then you are going to hit unbind. That will delete that account that was giving you issues, which means now you do not have an account that is going to say you have data saved in another account, blah, 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 blah. Then what you need to do now, if you go to Steam, you're going to notice that you have a fresh account. So get out of Steam right away and then go to your other platform that you are trying to link Steam with. Say, for instance, if you were trying to link your Steam from PS5, now go to PS5, go to the tab that says Other, and then look for Steam, and then just click Link on the Steam, and then it will successfully link your Steam account. And now when you go back to Steam, you will be able to have your progress from your other platform. In this example that I'm giving you, that would be from your PS5. And that would fix your issue of having the error that you cannot link your account. That's it. I hope it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.